Hello there, I'm an eco-freak and today I'll tell you about the decomposition of plastics. Plastics ये हर जगह मौजूद हैं and they have existed for the last 60 and 70 years. लेकिन आज पैकेजिंग ऑफ प्रोडक्ट्स, डिज़ाइन एंड रिटेलिंग से लेकर हर चीज़ को प्लास्टिक ने ट्रांसफॉर्म कर दिया है। इसका एक फ़ायदा ये है कि इसे देर पा रहने के लिए बनाया गया था, बट द सेम ब्लेसिंग इज अ कर्स क्योंकि प्लास्टिक जो आज तक बनाया गया था, it exists in the same form today. Not only could it end up in the ocean, but it can take hundreds of years to break down. Plastic bag takes 20 years to break and it poses one of the greatest impacts to the ocean life. Takeaway coffee cups take 30 years and this is because of the plastic membrane that lines them, that makes them non-recyclable. Plastic straws can take up to 200 years to decompose and 6-pack plastic rings take 400 years and they can be devastating to our marine life who gets entangled in it. Plastic bottles take 450 years or approximately 75% of plastic bottles are not recycled and they end up in landfills, little roadsides and they pollute waterways and oceans. Disposable diapers take 500 years to break and they end up in landfills. They can contaminate groundwater, posing serious threats to the environment. On the other hand, plastic toothbrushes take 500 years and they get lost in the recycling processes and they end up in the landfill to make their way to the rivers and oceans. But why is it so hard to decompose plastic? Decomposition एक ऐसा प्रोसेस है जिसके जरिए ऑर्गेनिक मटेरियल्स जैसा कि लकड़ी, जानवर, मुर्दा लाश और कागज को छोटे ऑर्गेनिक कंपाउंड्स में ब्रेक डाउन किया जाता है। किसी भी चीज़ को डिकम्पोज करने के लिए उसे सॉइल में दबाया जाता है जहाँ पर मौजूद बैक्टीरियाज और दूसरे माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिजम्स उसे छोटे छोटे ऑर्गेनिक कंपाउंड्स में ब्रेक डाउन करते हैं। The problem with decomposing plastic is that plastic is not organic. Plastic is actually made from पॉलीप्रोपाइलीन जो कि पेट्रोलियम या क्रूड ऑयल से पाया जाता है। जब पेट्रोलियम और क्रूड ऑयल को किसी कैटलिस्ट की मौजूदगी में बहुत हाई टेम्परेचर पर हीट अप किया जाता है तो इंडिविजुअल केमिकल यूनिट्स जो कि प्रोपाइलीन है it links together to form extremely strong carbon-carbon bond with each other, which results in a polymer long chain of monomers called polypropylene. According to Kent Peters, an organic geochemist at Stanford University, nature doesn't make things like that, so organisms have never seen that before. इसका मतलब ये है कि वो ऑर्गेनिज्म जो एक कटे हुए सेब को instantly brown कर दें या वो organisms that can chew up wood, they are not able to decompose plastic because plastic is something that is made by humans, not by the nature, and those organisms like bacteria or other microorganisms, they are not able to decompose the plastics because they haven't seen anything like this before in the nature. यही वजह है कि नेचर में मौजूद डिकम्पोजर्स प्लास्टिक को डिकम्पोज नहीं कर सकते and in the end it lasts forever in the landfill. But the good news is that we can fight back against plastic pollution. Every little action that we take to reduce our consumption of plastic is a big step in protecting the future of our planet and our